Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Now, today we are going to deal with the topic locating places and road safety. Okay. Now, children, you must have experienced that maybe sometime when your family must be going somewhere and you are not able to locate the place, then you ask some people around you, भैया ये किधर है, वो किधर जाता है, ये लॉन किधर आता है. You might have experienced this in your life, but nowadays so you can take help of the Google Map also. You must be aware about this also, children, isn't it? So let us begin with the locating places. Okay, children. Locating places means to locate the place, to find out the place and to reach the destination. है ना? So we have learned that the area in which you have already learned the previous. Let us revise some of the topic you must have revised in the third standard, children. That the area which surrounds a house is called a neighborhood. Right from standard 2 you are learning this, right, children? Our neighborhood starts once we step out of our home. Okay, once you are out, the neighborhood starts. है ना? There are many places in our neighborhoods of in the neighborhood. They are called as neighborhood services because they provide us the services like market, bank, police station, है ना? Then medical shop, market, vegetable market, so many things around us, है ना? And they provide us a good service. Without them, the life will be impossible. Okay, now see, let us take an example of Ali's house. Okay, here some sketch has been made, and there is Ali's house, and this is Ali's house. This is Ali's house, and this is the neighborhood. Ali's neighborhood. Okay, now he is saying that help him to find out the market, the post office, again come back home. So yes, of course, what you'll do. Where is the post office? Okay, I'll remove the pen. There it is, up. So yes, you have to take. You can you have a book, and in that you can track out the place, and with the pencil you reach to the post office. Then you reach to the market, and then you come back home. It's very simple and easy. You can use the. If I use the pen, then I won't be able to see the post office. It's very easy. The black color, grey color road you can see, and from there you can go. It's very easy, nothing else. It's just an explanation. Actually, this is a sketch, beta. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place. It's just a rough drawing of a place of Ali's house, and the neighborhood of Ali. And they have used a different signs, and they have used the symbols like for Saint Paul, it must be a church if I'm not wrong. So they have cross, they have white cross is there. It's a church. For post office, they have used the red color post box. For the petrol pump, yes, they have used that flag, and then this is a petrol. Yeah, this is a petrol from where you get the petrol. Anna, and any other sign is there? That's all. For market, they have not given any sign. Yes, for the park, they have shown the tree, children. So sign and the symbol instead of the pictures in order to save the space and to show the detail. Why they use the signs and symbol to save the space, है ना? Otherwise, because in such a small space, how you will be able to locate, show the so many places around, isn't it? Neighborhood. And here first the major part is that when we draw a sketch, okay, of a rough drawing of a neighborhood, here we don't need an exact measurement, children, between the places. You don't need an exact measurement, just approximately you can make it. Okay, now when I talk about a map, oh my, it's actually, what is a map? First let us understand. A map is a drawing of an area. It is drawn on a flat surface, for example paper. Okay, and yes, the map needs an exact measurement of a part or a whole of the earth. Whosoever map you are drawing, the map of India or the map of different countries and all, whenever you want to draw the map, we need to have an exact measurement, children. Okay, when we have a 10th standard farewell, the 12th standard farewell, the drawing and art craft teachers, they have been given duty to draw the map, and the SST teachers, and they take so many weeks to draw the map because it needs an exact measurement to draw the map of India on that big ground of our school, and where we have a farewell ceremony. And their children light the lamps and all. Okay, so a map, the now see, you have understood the sketch. It's a rough drawing beta. It doesn't need an exact measurement, but yes, map do needs. Now you must have seen, if or you must have been along with your parents to buy a new flat and all, and when you go to buy it, you need to visit that builder's office, and then he provide us a map to you, a plan of that flat, or a plan of a bungalow if you want to construct a bungalow. So this, can you see this? This is a map, okay, and this is a plan. See, this is a plan of a one of the room they are showing over here. है ना? Wait, let me zoom it. Yes, see, you can see it. है ना? So a map, it is also called as a map, but it shows the layout of a smaller area, for example, room or a house. Then it is called a plan. Then वो बताता है आपको, मैडम, suppose if you are constructing, then you according to you, he will make a plan, he will make a design your house. Okay, who does all this thing? Who does this? A builder and engineer make a plan. Okay, now before building a house, the plan of the house has to be prepared. Okay, children, so this is how the plan looks. You can ask for a pamphlet which even the brochures the father must have got when he must have visited any of the builder's office, where they provide us all the information in that. Okay, now one more thing. Now nowadays, children, the people have the maps in their mobile phone, as I told you, and they can find the way to the place using that phone. Even you must have done that, I know that. Okay, now yes, we'll talk about the symbols and the colors better. Can you see this over here? And some symbols are there, colors you can see. So we use the different symbols and colors to show the different features, such as boundaries between the countries, the roads. See, India and Pakistan, if you see the map, they have a different demarcation over there on the map to show the boundaries of the neighboring countries. Okay, then roads also, then railway. Let's see the country roads, railway lines, for trees, cities, etc. on the map. They use a different symbols, children. And to understand these colors and the symbols, we read the legend of the map. Okay, all the maps are use a certain colors beta. For instance, blue is used to show the water bodies, rivers, lakes, and the seas. They shows the blue color. Okay, water bodies means river, lake, and sea and all. And then green shows the forest and the trees. Okay, and the brown shows the mountains. So different symbols represent the different features beta. Okay, now you look at over here. Let us study your country capital. The first one. See this, the first sign, that is a country capital. The second one is a state capital. Country capital means, when I talk about India, so that must be a Delhi, because Delhi is the capital of India. Then the second mark, that is a circle and the dot, that is a state capital. State capital, for example, if I talk about Maharashtra, Maharashtra is a state. So which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. So this symbol we use for that. Other towns and cities, yes, we use this one. Okay, international boundaries, this is a sign. State boundaries, एक state, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, उस state को आप देखेंगे ना map में, you read that this is the line they show. Then the road, this is the line they show for the road. Okay, dam, this is a symbol of the dam. Okay, swamp and the marsh, this is a symbol. Lake and the reservoir, yes. Okay, and the river, yes. Peak, this is what the symbol they use. International airport, okay. Domestic airport, okay. Domestic means if you want to go from one state to another state, like that, within India. Okay, and this is a major port. Okay, so different symbols have been shown. If you must be having maps, children. You can go through the map. 1 minute. See this. Okay, Now here below you see they have shown the line for international boundary. ठीक है, this the that 1 minute, this line, the border line of this, that is a boundary. Okay, state boundary, white color, this is white color mark, this is a state boundary. Can you see the white color, beta? Yes. The country capital, let us see now. Wait, country capital, box and the dot. Where is the country capital? Yes, see, can you see the New Delhi, beta? Hana? See, this is a mark they have used for the country capital. Can you see that? Now, one more is there. That is a state capital. Now see, you see so many states are there, na? Now see, suppose this is Madhya Pradesh. So see, can you see the black color dot? That shows the capital of that state. Then see, Odisha. So that dot, that is Bhubaneswar. Chhattisgarh, state Raipur. Okay, Telangana, state Hyderabad. So black dot shows the capital of the state. Okay. So it's very simple and easy. Just read the chapter better. I hope you must have understood this. If you, after reading the chapter, you will be able to understand whatever I have explained. Okay. Thank you. God bless you, children.